Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can put these nose pads for the Ray-Ban sunglasses. So as you see, it's broken, and I just took the one of them outside. This was the one. This is the one. Uh, okay, now I'm gonna put the new one, as you see right here, right there. This is the one. Yeah, you just buy this nose pads, and after that, yeah, you need the pliers, like here, this, and this. Either one, we're gonna need it now. So let me take it out one piece of nose pad, and you're gonna put a certain way. So like this, one side. You have to bend. There is a two prong here, as you see, right there. Maybe not clear, but trying to clear right there. See, two prongs. One prong, you have to bend it this way, this direction. This is the way, like that. Just bend it. Sorry guys. Just bend it this way, as you see, a little bit, as you see. This is so soft, and you can easily bend it. Then after that, let's go ahead. Do you see this? Not clear. Right there. You will right there. See, you just two prong is gonna come here, bend it here. Yeah, right there. Two prongs. One is I already bend it a little bit. The other side also, you're gonna bend it, and then that's it. Okay, let's go ahead and put this together. All right, here. Hold on. Right there. See, as you see right there. Did you see? This is the way. We can bend a little bit the other side too. I mean, this is gonna be. Let's see. Okay. Hold on a minute. Though it's not clear. Hold on. So what did this? Oh, sorry guys. I have a tough angles. Right there is a. This is the plier I'm using. What you do? Sideway, just press a little bit. That prongs is gonna, yeah, a little bit, and then it's gonna be right. Let me see. Right there. See, that is banded right there. As you see right there. See, this is the one. This is the one. It's banded on top of that metal, and there is a special space, that groove or space that it fits inside channel here, right here. Then it's right there. You have to, same way, the other one also you have to bend it, the opposite side of prong. It's not clear, but right there. Little it came on top of there, but it's not complete. Right, this is the one. This is the one. So this is the way you putting the nose pad, It's not hard, but you need to concentrate what you're doing. Do you see that prong? Sitting on the channel, and you just squeezing with this plier like this one, and then that's it. The other one is same way that you just squeezing. That's it, like this. That's it. Don't break it because it's so sensitive. That's more than enough, I think. Yes, that's fantastic. Yeah. All right, guys. Today is it. This is it. So this is the way you can change the nose pad for Ray-Ban sunglasses. Right there. This is the one. Right. Maybe little. This is the one. As you see. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.